To do a Russian join, first thread your yarn into a sharp tapestry needle. Once it's threaded, you're going to double back with the needle and sew in and out of the yarn thread. So this should be about 2 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches. Pull the needle through, leaving a loop. So I want to leave that loop. And I'm just going to pull the other end of the yarn out. That's my setup for my first yarn. Thread your second yarn onto the same tapestry needle, sharp, and then put the needle through the loop. You're not going to catch any of the strands of your first yarn. And then I'm going to double back onto the second yarn here and do the exact same thing. So I want 1.5 to 2 inches going in and out of the strand of yarn. And now I'm going to pull my needle through. And again, I want to get the tail all the way through. So I'm just going to pull the tail out. And now I'm going to take my needle off of my yarn. And that is my setup for now. So now I'm just going to reposition this. So you can pull on, I'm pulling on the tail, just being careful to reposition. And now that I have it about where I want it, I'm just going to even that out. Now I'm going to do it on the other side. Just pulling that tail, repositioning everything. I want to get rid of this loop here. Okay, and that's about where I want it. So now I'm going to pull. So at this point your yarns are joined and you can clip your tail off and they hold really well. I'm pulling hard and it's not coming apart.